Have you ever had to endure team building exercises? I sure have. Covering ourselves with post-it notes or climbing ropes, they're usually awkward, unnatural situations that are supposed to teach us something. Is there any proof they even work? Because the only team building ever seems to be over the shared grumbling. But helping your team is extraordinarily valuable to your culture and your bottom line. So wouldn't it be great if there were team building frameworks developed using research with a structured approach that could get tangible results? Imagine if your team were genuinely enthusiastic about attending a workshop. Is that even possible? Yes, it is. I use LEGO Serious Play to creatively engage with your team. Don't let the play part fool you. These aren't silly activities that happen to require teamwork. Serious Play was originally developed by the LEGO Corporation for their strategic planning process. It's based on extensive research and years of development, so rest assured you're investing in a proven system. And there's something amazing that happens to even the most introverted person when they start picking up bricks. They light up and begin thinking with their hands. A team experience that's effective and inclusive. Isn't that what you've been hoping for? All my workshops are designed to teach your team how to think and work together more cohesively, creatively, and skillfully. When your team sees the value in creatively testing new ideas, pushing further, and prototyping rapidly, the group becomes unstoppable. Each workshop is planned to meet your specific goals and needs. You aren't a cookie-cutter company with a cookie-cutter team. You deserve specialized, focused support. Customize fun and meaningful workshops designed just for your team. Doesn't that sound great? Work is a lot more fun when you're running in the same direction, and I promise you a 5-star experience getting your team there. So contact me now and let's get going.